I've been to a couple that it's almost as if they have their set routine.
Okay.
And they're not really listening to what I'm saying if I'm outside of that particular box for them.
Oh, okay.
So it's important to me to find somebody that is flexible enough to take a few extra minutes to address something that suddenly came up today that I haven't complained about in the past, or something that unusual I did over the weekend, like too much gardening. This is a one-time fix that I need for this particular visit. And he hears what I'm saying, and he has the time and the flexibility to address that particular issue on that particular visit, so that we can get over that little hump and move on before it becomes a big one.